Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today's Friday, February 14th, Valentine's Day. So you basically have a few hours left before you get home from work and you've got to come up with some gifts. So better figure it out quick. Yeah, so what's going on today? 8:30. We had core retail sales which were less than expected by a factor of about 100%. Zero point 0.3 was expected. It was actually a minus 0.4%. Retail sales month over month were even worse, minus 0.9% versus a 0.2% minus expectation. Import prices were up. Imagine that. Think tariffs have anything to do with that? The threat of tariffs? Maybe so. 9:15 capacity utilization rate, industrial production month over month. 10 a.m. business inventories month over month. Tentative after 10 a.m. President Trump speaking. Yes, more information about tariffs. However, the market doesn't seem to care anything about tariffs and is not listening to any of the recent numbers. The market is on a tear. It is discounting all negative information and going up. 3 p.m. FOMC member Logan speaking. So there you have it. So look, yesterday, not any good news, and the market just powered on up. I think the market's going to at least do a triple top up here, 6160, possibly even entertaining the idea of taking out the all-time high of 6180. We'll have to wait and see. How long can the market ignore the numbers? I don't know. They can do it for a very long time, extended period of time. On the downside, I think there's very little risk, 50, 60, 50. Again, we're still in this sideways band. We are above the moving averages, so it is bullish. But ignoring the fundamentals, you can do that, or ignoring the numbers for a while will work. But eventually, the fundamentals come back and bite you. Sometimes, it's just not. There's no good news right now, but the market seems to want to go up. That's the market doing what it does. Remember, not what you think, what you see. All right, moving on. Yesterday we had up, big price action up, and we had big inventory. This is correlated. This is the big price moving up, sucking in all the suckers. I really think they're taking this thing up so they can pound it. That's just my opinion, which has been wrong before. It will be wrong in the future. What's going on in overnight action? Hey, one of the smallest overnight action, 25 points. That's it. So that's right at average. We haven't had that low volatility in a long time. So where is overhead resistance? 6160, 6180. Those are those two big medium tops, swing highs in the past. If we could break 6180, 6200, of course, will be the whole number. Support, 6110, 6100, 6190, 6170, maybe 6050 if we could get some action to the downside. I just don't see it one way or the other. It looks to me like this market's got an agenda and it wants to go up. It's ignoring all the negative numbers. There's inflation. They've pushed out the Fed lowering to September or December. I don't think the Fed's going to lower at all this year. In fact, the Fed may have to raise rates, and nobody wants to say that the Fed might have to raise rates. Yeah, because inflation's still there. Yeah, and it's going from CPI to PPI. It's going to be in the PCE numbers. Fed looks at those. Anyway, that's my basic take. But I guarantee you, if it goes up today, I'm going to be long. So there you have it. See what you see, not what you think. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.